What's going on, fishful thinkers, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is John. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please hit that like and subscribe. We are about to pull out of the driveway now, head down to the beach and do a little surf fishing. Hoping to catch some fish that I can keep and bring back and clean up. Told the wife that I would bring back some fish, so hopefully we'll be able to do that. I do want to apologize for not putting out as much content as I should. Life has been busy. As you guys know, I have a baby on the way and we are about 5 weeks out. And it is super exciting, but times are super busy, and I promise you I'll be getting more videos out. We've been out of town for 3 weekends in a row. And then if we haven't been out of town, it has been raining here in Charleston. I think I saw where it said it has rained like 14 straight weekends down here, and that is insane to me. And unfortunately, with a full-time job, that's the only time I can really get out is on the weekends. So I'm the definition of a weekend warrior. But we got a good day today. We're gonna head down to the beach, hopefully get on some fish, and I'm taking you guys with me. So here we go, let's go fishing. So I didn't get a bite for a few hours as I was sitting out here, but as you can see, this is the first bite of the day right here, and he smokes it. Just a nice fish. There I am trying to grab the rod, can't grab it like a Guggen, but I get the fish on there, reeling him in, and you can see it's really rough out here. Usually the water is just laid down pretty nicely out here, but the wind's howling and the water's rough, but it wasn't going to stop me from catching any fish today. Here we are, y'all, reeling in this fish, and I'm about to come to the camera and show you what it is right now.
All right, you guys, we got our first one here on a very windy day. It's been some tough fishing, but we finally got on one, and let's hope we can get on some more.
Alright, so I have some camera issues, so this is why I'm doing the voiceover, but you can see here I'm adjusting the camera, and then when I'm adjusting it, the first rod gets a bite right there, and then it stands straight up, so that means the fish is swimming in with it. So I walk over there to see what's going on, and then I look over, and the rod beside me gets a bite right there. I have the other rod in my hand, waiting for this rod to go down. Boom, set the hook on that guy, put this rod down, and then we start fighting fish right now.
Come on. Oh yeah, baby. What do we have here? We recording? Got something pretty nice. Small shark, maybe? Yep. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh no. We caught a catfish. I don't catch a ton of those out here, that's for sure. All right, guys, we have got us a hardhead sail. Actually, we got us a sail cat here. All right, let's get these back out. Got him. Got him. I think. What in the world do we have here? Alright, I'm having a weird day out here. Catching a lot of stuff I don't normally catch. 3 different bites, 3 different fish, 3 different species, so I don't know what that is. So, yeah. We're gonna take him off, or we're gonna get him back. We're not gonna eat this guy. Alright, I got this guy, whatever it is, running in fast. Oh, I missed him. Dang. Alright. I don't know. All right, we are going to get these 2 rods back out. That mayhem. I think we are in a pretty good spot, just catching a weird fish. But catching fish, I'm not going to complain about it. What do we have? Another catfish? think we have another catfish. It's a pretty heavy fish, whatever. Or whatever we have here. Oh, it's pulling some drag. It's pulling some drag. Another cat. Oh, this is a little shark. A little bonnet head. All right, let's go get this guy under control here. Got us a little shark down here. I don't want him to bite me, so we're going to do our best here to get him under control. Yeah, a little bonnet head. All right, you guys, we have our first shark. What do we have here? Good Lord of mercy. That's another one? Can't be another little shark. What do we have here? Okay, that's a whiting. That's a whiting. We'll leave that guy right here. Take care of this guy real quick. Get him to the water. Alright, there you go. Alright, now let's deal with our whiting. Whew. Gotta keep her whiting here. Alright, that was nuts. We got two bites there. We got a little bonnet head shark, and then we caught this whiting. He's gonna slip out of my hand, you guys know that. He's probably about 10 inches, 11 inches, so definitely a keeper. This has been an odd day, but fun day, so let's get the rods back out there. All right, we are gonna get this first rod back out. Finally, after all that mess. All right, now let's get the second one back out. What's fun about days like today is you never know what you're going to catch. With it being rough out here, I've already caught 4 different species of fish. So it's turning out to be a pretty fun day. There's another fish. Oh, another fighter, whatever it is. We are catching a weird array of fish. Let's see, I think we got a big whiting out of this one. Heck yeah, that's a nice whiting right there. That's a stud. That's the biggest one of the day. Yes, sir. Biggest whiting of the day is a 12-incher. Perfect one to eat. Let's see if we can get on some more. Something small here. I could be wrong. We could not have anything on. We've got the tiniest of whiting. Smallest whiting of the day is about pocket size. Definitely not going to keep him. We're going to throw him back, but a good start to a good new location. Little tiny guy. Probably my smallest one of the day. Welcome back to the house, guys. It looks like it may have some pop-up rain here, so we might get rained on, but that's okay. We had an awesome day out there surf fishing. About to take these few fish that I kept, clean them up, and we're gonna eat them. Put my handy dandy towel down just because it helps me keep grip on the fish. Got a nice bubba blade here, the 9-inch tapered flex knife. Let's go straight down his backbone, just like that. Beautiful whiting fillet. Now you got to be careful when doing the other side, just because it is a little thinner and you can go straight through the fish, especially the whiting, because they're real thin. But it's another beautiful whiting fillet. Guys, we got chicken and we got our whiting fillets. I have Bucky's Cajun seasoning on there. If you guys ever try that, it's pretty good. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna start. We got our Blackstone on here. We're gonna throw our whiting in with some cornmeal and a little bit of this Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna have a side of broccoli and what else? Corn.
And croissants.
The amazing wife is behind the camera, just letting you guys know, so that's who I'm talking to. Oh, and croissants. And croissants. All right, so we're gonna put fish in the cornmeal here, shake it up, get everything ready, and then we're gonna throw it on the grill. All right, so we're gonna start by putting some oil on the grill here. We're gonna get the whole thing oiled. Chicken. Throw it on the grill. Next, we're gonna throw the broccoli right here in the middle. Let that start cooking. And then we're gonna get our delicious whiting. Oh yeah, that's a good, nice cook right there. That looks phenomenal. I can tell you, it's gonna be phenomenal.
Sponsor us.
The food is ready now, and I can't lie, it smells really good. We're gonna take our whiting, we're gonna put it on our plate, let some of that grease fall off. Get the little crunchies.
My fave. Don't forget those crunchies.
Okay. I won't forget those crunchies.
Thank
good
you.
Crunchies.
Those are JR's crunchies.
Take the broccoli, put it back in the bowl. You hold that. Thanks. Alright, we're going to put our chicken on the fine china here.
Don't forget that broccoli.
Oh, don't forget that broccoli. Booyah, baby. The food is done. We're going to see you guys inside at the dinner table.
Action!
Action! Alright guys, we're at the dinner table and the finished product looks insanely good. We got our broccoli, the corn, the chicken. Here's the whiting. So what we're gonna do right now is just taste the whiting, and then we're gonna dig in after that. I'm not gonna show that to you guys, but I am gonna show you the tasting. We'll dig right in. Taste the whiting, man. Taste the whiting.
Whiting's great.
The whiting's great. Alright you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I really appreciate you guys watching till the end. It means a lot to me. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go and hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Help us out in the algorithm and help me grow Fishing Thinking Fishing. I'm sorry for not putting out as much footage as I should. As I said in the intro, life's just been busy. So thank you guys again for watching. I love all of you guys. Thank you for your support. Until next time guys, peace.